What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to make a quick video on how to change the cabin filter on a Ford Fusion. The part number you need is CF11775. It's in the handbook recommended to change them every 20,000 miles. So mine needs a change, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how easy it is to change this. Pretty much you take this side piece off. Come on out, there you go. Pretty simple. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 side tacks. You can take everything out of the glove box, but the glove box will actually come off. Then you pull from the side here and just pull this top vent off. There it goes. Sounds rough, but it's really not that bad. And that thing comes off like that. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 prongs, as you can see there. Go ahead and set it on the seat. And then you have these 2 screws here, and then underneath, right here, you'll have a screw. Right here it should be. I'll have to get under there, but it's 1 screw on this side, and then 1 screw right here that's holding this glove box in. Here's the screw right here on the other side, and this is what helps you take the whole glove box out. Alright guys, then you take your socket wrench and you take these top 2 off. This is a 9 32 mil. I'll put it in the description what you need. Just put the screws where you won't lose them. So I'm taking the top 2 off first. And those bottom 2 that I showed you. One on the far passenger side, and then one closer to the center console. Screw that down. I gotta get underneath to find this one. Alright, so I got it on there, so let me just screw it out. There we go. And then, this glove box should just pull it right out. Got 2 little tabs on the right. There it goes. And then you just want to unplug. If you can see here, you just want to unplug this light. I need 2 hands. Alright, there you go. The whole glove box is out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 prongs. Oh, 5, 6 prongs. And then right here is where the cabin filter goes. You just take a Phillips and take those 2 screws out. Right, so the Phillips. And then just take these 2 screws out on the sides. Alright guys, I took the 2 screws out. Now you just move the 2 clips on both sides, and it should just come right off. Come on now. There it goes. Alright, and here's the cabin filter. And then pull it from the one side. Look at that. Look at that. You guys can see here how dirty and nasty that is compared to the new cabin filter right here that we're going to take out. Now you guys can see how clean that is. I mean, there's walnuts in there, tree saplings. I mean, it's crazy. So if you have bad allergies, that will surely affect you. make sure when you put this in, the letters are facing up. So we'll put it in just like this, with the lines going up the same way we took it out. There should be even a sign. Yeah, you see the arrow right there. It's pointing down. So we will place it in just like this. Go ahead and feed it in here. There it goes, just in there, just like that. Now we will put it back on the clips right in. And then you take the 2 screws and we will put the screws right back where they belong on both sides. And then screw them in. Alright guys, both screws are back in. Now we're going to pick the glove box back up, clip it in, and push it on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here you can see all the white spots. Push it right back in, goes right back into place. If the glove box is back in place, works and operates fine. Little clip fell off. I'll have to find out where that goes. Oh, it goes right here. Put that back on, and then take the 4 bolts that are down here, up here, and here. Clip them back on. All right, guys, but all 4 bolts are back in. Now the front fascia goes right back in, pressing on the 5 tabs, line them up. And then it literally just pops right back in. Then you take the side piece, goes in like this, line it up with the tabs, and just push, and just like that. Glove box is brand new, fixed, and you have the changed C5 or CF11775 Fresh Breeze air filter. I'll put the link in the description to this guy. So you guys saw how quick that is, and look at this debris in here. It's disgusting. As always guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.